Hey, welcome back to Mandy's Planet. Today I am going to be making some crab ball appetizers. So I just showed you a pound of crab meat and it's the crab claw. Here we have some Worcestershire sauce, some yellow mustard, Old Bay seasoning. These are crushed Ritz crackers, some lemon juice, and some, there's an egg, and then I have some fresh parsley that I chopped up over there too. So let's get started. This is going to be a step-by-step recipe, so you know every measurement that I'm putting into this. So this is a pound of crab meat. You can get this at your local grocery store. I just picked it up at Walmart. And it's the crab meat from the claw. You can also get lump crab meat. But it's all tastes the same. It's very delicious. So I'm just trying to break up some of the crab meat there. And if you see people in the background, I made these on Thanksgiving. So everybody's kind of in the kitchen doing stuff today. So first we're going to have one beaten egg. So just beat the egg up really quick. The yolk. Hope everybody is having a very happy and festive holiday season and everybody gets to spend time with their family. So here is the one egg, one beaten egg. Now this is 1 cup of Ritz crackers crushed. It's going to be 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard. Okay, the mustard's not wanting to come out. Give me a second. Here we go. Okay, so that's 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard. I know I already said that, but I'm just repeating because the mustard didn't want to come out. So now we're going to do 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. And you can get real lemons. I just get this little lemon juice and it works perfectly. Don't have to worry about all the seeds and everything. Okay, we're going to do 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley chopped. It looks so yummy already and it just smells amazing too. I really enjoy seafood. I really enjoy crab meat. This is going to be really, really good. I'm going to do a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. So that's a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. We're going to have 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Okay, and now I'm going to mix this mixture up together. Make sure everything is mixed well together and there's no Ritz crackers that are showing. So this mixture that I'm going to do, it's going to make 21 crab balls. And I'm from Virginia and we're on the coast. So this is an appetizer that we like to have for Thanksgiving. I just recently moved to Pennsylvania, and I'm having Thanksgiving with my mother-in-law and grandmother-in-law with my husband. So I'm just going to make this for them. They've never had them. So as you've seen, I have my cookie sheet out and I sprayed it down with some non-stick oil. And I'm just going to start forming my crab balls, and you're going to want to do golf ball size crab balls. And I'm just kind of speeding through this to show you how I did this. And then remember, it's going to make 21 of these golf ball size crab balls, and this is for an appetizer. And the dip that I do for this, you can do butter, you can squeeze some lemon over top when it's done, but I made this like a Thousand Island dressing without the relish, so it was just like mayonnaise and ketchup mixed together. So these are delicious, and I plan to make this again, but I'm gonna do like big crab cakes with some steak soon, so I'll probably have a video up for that. But that just might show the cooking, and I'll just say, hey, refer back to the crab ball appetizer recipe. So just be looking forward to that soon. Okay, so here we have all of the crab balls. So these are going to go in the bake in the oven for 30 minutes on 350. Yum! They look delicious. I hope that you will try this recipe and make these crab balls for your family. You can make them for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, just to have, you know. So get ready to put them in the oven. And then here's what they look like when they come out. I hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching.